Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Today is going to be a quick video on how I did the easiest cut crease ever, okay? So stay tuned. If this is your first time watching my video, hi, my name is Kaya Smith. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are a returning subscriber, hey, thank you so much for coming back. If this is your very first time watching my video, then please be sure to subscribe if you like what you see here on my channel. I am trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by February. So if you would kindly subscribe and help me reach that goal, I will really be appreciative of it. So I'm currently at my studio doing my makeup. And I thought, you know what, let me just turn on the camera and do my makeup with you guys. So if you don't mind getting ready with me, let's go. So this is the look I've done so far. This is the eye that I've created. And the only thing I have not done so far is add my lashes on. So my lashes is drying. And I'm trying a new technique for the cut crease. So I want to share that with you guys. So just stay tuned and keep on watching, okay? Okay, so this is a trick I'm using. So I'm taking these shadow shields that I got from Walmart. And I'm using that to, I'm actually going to use this to already cut the crease. So it actually have like a little band right here, but I cut it off to give me this shape like this. And so first I'm going to go ahead and pat my base out. As you can see, my eyebrows and everything's already done. So first I'm going to pat this base out. Then I'm going to use this like this. I kind of lay it on there like that. Go into that green, and I'm gonna just go close to this. What this is gonna do is gonna give me an outline. Okay? Go back into my green. Go again. And when I take it off, I should have a crease already. Okay, guys? I'm gonna go back into that green from the crayon case palette. And I am just gonna start building on top of this. Okay? So as you can see, my crease is kind of already cut. So that's gonna make it kind of easy. I'm going with my Take Me to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. And I'm gonna take a navy blue, just navy blue right here, and this little brush. And I'm gonna go right close to the crease so that I can create some depth. Then I'm gonna go back in with my brush that had the green on it. Get a little bit of that green, knock the excess off. And I'm going to start blending this out. All right, so that's that. Next, I'm gonna go in and just kind of clean up this crease so I can start laying my colors down that I want to lay down. Okay, so hold on just a moment. This liquid highlighter, and I'm gonna cut the crease with that since I'm using shimmery colors. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of it back on the back of my hand. A little does go a long way. You don't need a lot of it. Switching palettes, I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place Saharan 2 palette. And I'm gonna use a good bit of colors out of here. So the first color I'm gonna use is this gold color right here in the middle, okay? be this color right here. Then I'm gonna go in with this color, okay? So this color first, then this color. I'm gonna take this navy blue right here, if you guys can see it, and I'm gonna put this on the edge. So that's that. Next, I'm gonna go in with my some lash glue, and I'm gonna go in with this List Cosmetics glitter right here, glitter pigment, and I'm gonna put some glitter right up against that cut. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've done my lashes, I've finished my face. So now what I'm gonna do is do my bottom lash line, and I'm gonna do my lips, and then we're all done, okay? I'm going with this green right here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wet it. For my lips, I'm gonna go in with this lip pencil called Plum Suede from my cosmetic line. And I'm gonna line my lips with that. Now I'm gonna go in with Bare It All, my lip gloss from my cosmetic line. You guys, thanks so much for watching.